First tonight at 6, a Wyandotte County judge ruled the DCF records of Olivia Jansen will remain sealed.
You'll remember the 3-year-old's body was found buried off a walking trail in KCK in July. An Amber Alert went out for her disappearance earlier that day.
Her father and his girlfriend face charges in connection with her death, including first-degree murder. 41 Action News I-Team reporter Jessica McMaster spoke with the little girl's grandmother outside of court after that decision was made this morning.
It opens the wound every time.
Elizabeth Jansen tells us she's waited months to find out exactly what happened to her granddaughter.
Because if she went through it, I want to know what she went through. I want to know what they did to her.
Police found 3-year-old Olivia Jansen's body in KCK in July. Olivia's dad and his girlfriend are in jail on murder charges. Tuesday, a judge ruled Olivia's DCF file will remain sealed. The decision comes after Kansas Department for Children and Families announced plans to release the little girl's file to the public, a move that prompted the district attorney's office to ask a judge to seal the records to protect the integrity of the case.
It's ridiculous. What they did to Olivia, and then they're worried about their case. What about her rights that they took away? Does it not matter because she's dead?
Well, Olivia's grandmother says she wants her grandbaby's records released. A defense attorney we spoke to says in cases like this, it often isn't what's best for either party.
They both want a fair trial. They want fair judicial process.
Greg Watt is a criminal defense attorney and former prosecutor. Watt is not affiliated with this case, but says releasing too much information prior to a trial could damage a case.
Could this potentially prejudice the process and prejudice the defendant's rights, the accused's rights, to the extent that the case is already ripe for an appeal?
Watt says the decision to withhold the records from the public is critical for getting justice.
They want the due process that the defendant, meaning the accused, is entitled, so that they don't have to reopen this case if there's a finding of guilt down the road.
Still, Olivia's grandmother says she's waited long enough to find out what happened to Olivia.
I have a right to know because she's my granddaughter and I love her.
The next hearing for this case is scheduled for October 29th. In KCK, I'm Jessica McMaster, 41 Action News.